I got no clue what's in this one. Pomegranate. That is a mandolin orange. That is a regular orange and an apple. Over here. Oh yeah. We'll see what they look like if they are a certain type of marigold. I thought they were black-eyed Susies, but we'll see. But take note of the lemon sprouting a new leaf, and the apple, and the Japanese snowball bush. Some more mandarin, onion, not sure, canna lily, and never gonna grow. You know what this one is? That's an orange. Oh yeah. Keep you updated. Thank you very much for viewing.